Hello everyone, let's move towards the another activity. Here using some of these sticks and colorful sheets of the paper we are going to show you how we can create this cool activity. For this you may require some rubber bands also, and an empty bottle is required, and with the help of the rubber band you are going to just tie it from here and there. Once you are done with it you just have to roll it. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 14. Let's move towards the another activity. Here I'm taking the sheet of the paper and I'm just cutting it down as shown on your screen. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You may require glue sticks, some colorful sheets of the paper, scissors, cutters and whatnot. After that you just have to fold it as apparent on your screen. This activity is very simple and it's cool, it's fascinating as well. You can just place a light inside it. Let's try to make some cool carry bags. For this I am taking this square shaped colorful sheet of the paper and I am just folding it in somewhat triangular shape. After that you just have to refold it, you just have to turn it, you just have to again create some of the creases. Be careful while you are making the creases because it's all about the creases and you will be done in just few simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Don't forget to place the handles at the place and draw the other features. Thank you for watching our videos.